In this video, I'll show you how to claim sign-up bonus in Google Opinion Rewards. To get started, open the Google Play Store on your phone and download the Google Opinion Rewards app. Once it's installed, open the app and make sure you are signed in with your Google account. If you already have a Google account that you use for Gmail, YouTube, or Google Drive, you can log in with the same one. If not, you'll need to quickly create a new account before moving forward. After signing in, the app will guide you to complete a short profile. This step is very important because it helps Google send you surveys that are more relevant to you. The profile usually asks for some basic details such as your age, gender, and location. Filling this out only takes a minute, and once it's done, the app is ready to start sending you surveys. Next, go to your profile section and look for the rewards or bonus option. In most cases, you'll receive a welcome survey right after setting up your profile. This is a very short survey, often just a couple of questions, and once you complete it, your sign-up bonus will be automatically credited to your account. The bonus is usually given in the form of Google Play credits, which you can use to buy apps, games, movies, or even subscriptions directly from the Play Store. If for some reason the bonus doesn't appear right away, don't worry. Sometimes it may take a few minutes for the credits to show up in your balance. You can try refreshing the app, checking for any pending updates in the Play Store, or clearing the app's cache and reopening it. After that, check your Google Play balance again, and you should see the bonus added. Once you've received your sign-up bonus, you can continue to earn more credits by answering the short surveys that Google sends from time to time. These surveys usually take less than a minute to complete, and the more consistent you are in responding, the more frequently you'll receive them. Over time, you'll build up credits that can be redeemed for useful items, apps, and entertainment across the Play Store. And that's how to claim sign-up bonus in Google Opinion Rewards.